Hi everybody, welcome to 44 Charlton Road. We are on the nicest cul-de-sac in Charlton Heights, in my opinion. This is a really special 4-level split, 1,200 square feet on 2 levels, plus a 3rd level, plus the finished basement. We've got a 24 by 24 foot double attached garage with 3rd level entry, which is fantastic. Come inside, let's have a look. Check out this interior. We have tall vaulted ceilings. We've got 3/4 inch maple hardwood floor. Through the dining room and into the kitchen, we've got a custom oak kitchen with a large original island, extra seating, plus the formal dining room, and a garden door to a very mature, beautiful backyard. No matter what your family situation is, everybody appreciates a large family room. This one, we've got a wood-burning fireplace. We've got oversized windows for lots of natural lighting. On this level, we also have the laundry, a den or 4th bedroom, and access to the garage. Got a large 520 square meter yard. It's fully fenced. It's large, mature, great place to entertain, low deck for family. This house is only $574,900, brand new to the MLS. Give me a call. Let's have a look. You're gonna love it.